winter is setting in. Everything's dying. You're able to see right through the woods, and probably next week, you'll get a clear shot across most of the property. One thing we noticed is, because of this, some of the cameras here picked up a trespasser, and I'll show it to you real quick. Here, over here, somewhere. Now, this guy here, it appears to be, maybe he's someone out here to inspect my work. I don't know. No one contacted me, no one called me, no one emailed me. I didn't get any information he was coming on the property, but I noticed that he has a measuring tape in his hand. And he also has it on his hip when he walked in. So I'm hoping it's not a trespasser here to steal. It's someone here, I don't know why, to check up, make sure maybe I made the cabin the exact measurements that I put in the permit for. And I believe that's what it is, because I'm not sure, but now that the leaves are gone, you're able to see the cabin through the woods from the street. And our neighbors' houses are set pretty far away, but they may have called the town, and then he came out to see. And they might say, oh, he's got a pretty big structure to be a primitive camp. But that's why I'm happy I built it exactly like I said I would, and the measurements are perfectly squared, 24 by 24. And so if he came out here just to measure, I should not have a problem, because I have researched this before. I went on the journey of building a cabin in the woods, and I seen some people with headaches. I've never done this before, so I did call the town. I have ongoing email with a couple people. So to have him show up here, it was kind of weird. But I don't think there will be any problems. But I'll monitor my emails more closely, make sure nothing's in the spam folder. But I don't want headaches. That's why I try to do this the correct way. But I also see him go over by my shed. I don't know what he was doing over there, but it's just a little Rubbermaid shed. I read through everything. There's no permit for a little Rubbermaid shed or anything like that. Small structures do not need a permit. So we're up here and it's cold. So Jen and I are going to take a walk down to the creek if it's not too muddy, because we had one hell of a week. Even at home, we lost power because the winds were so bad on Halloween night. So up here, it looks like there's some trees. Something came down there. There's some trees leaning over. So we're going to take a walk down. We could hear the creek running. Finally, all summer it's been dry. Well, just slow trickle, but we could hear the creek really running. So we're going to go take a look now down at it. Now I'm 4 minutes into this ramble. I'm going to have to cut this short. Okay. So let's go down, take a look. All right, I'm giving you a review today. If you know anything about gas cans, they have changed over the last several years into these things that make us cuss a lot. Basically, gas cans are a pain in the ass, and I got a new one quite some time ago. I've been dealing with it. You get a lot of the chug action. It takes forever to fill up anything. I went to a tag sale, or my buddy actually gave me. Did he give me two? Gave me two now. Two new gas cans, and I took them home, and same thing. Chug. But one of them was an old school gas can. I said, wow, this is going to be great. Just pour. Well, I pour, and of course, the neck is leaking, and gas is all over the place, and this stuff's coming out faster than the generator could take. What a pain. But I have been seeing these in, I believe, one of the sportsman guides or something like that. And because I'm always complaining about the gas cans, the supervisor, my father-in-law, came over and said, here, stop complaining about gas cans. This one here should solve your problems. So we're going to see. So I filled it up. I have no idea how to use it. I should read the instructions. I don't think it came with them.
It's on the front.
Mm-hmm. Let's go over to the little generator that I run all night. The reason why I run it all night is when it's cold out. I want my furnace to work. Or when my father-in-law's up visiting me, he uses that CPAC machine, and it needs to run all night. So a lot of people say, oh man, you go up there and you blow 5 gallons of gas every weekend. Yeah, you run, my little generator could run about 13 hours straight while we sleep through the night, and it's quiet. The big one, it takes whatever's left of the 5 gallon, and in the summertime the lawnmower gets the rest. So I go through about 5 gallons Saturday and Sunday, every Saturday and Sunday. I fill this up on the way up. So let's go see if this thing works. I'll give you on second review. This, I could tell you right now, this generator right here is a workhorse. I've had it for years now, but I've been putting it through the ringer the last 2 years up here. We have this thing running every weekend, 12-hour stretches. It's usually off during the day. It's hooked up to the RV. It runs everything we need, runs the microwave. It has trouble running the air conditioning. I don't know why. Sometimes it's able to run it, sometimes it just will not kick on. Sometimes it'll pop the fuse on the generator. But don't have to worry about that too much anymore, and I think I'll be upgrading. But Honda is where it's at. Any of these generators, nothing could beat a Honda, I'll tell you that right now. That Champion, I like it because that's a remote start though. When you're working, you want to hear that generator all the time, you shut it off, turn it on, compressor kicks on, fills up, shut it off. But Honda, this thing is so quiet, I sleep right there, I can't even hear it. Anyway, let's get back to what I was saying. Yeah, actually, you could buy another one of these things and run them together and get more amperage out of it. Hell, I know what I'm talking about. Anyway, see what we got to do here. All right, let's see what happens, folks. This is it. Pop out.
Pop out, rotate. Ooh.
I didn't even push the damn trigger. See, this is why they got safety, all these crazy safety shit now. All right, here we go. It's kind of hard. Well, it's a pain in the ass to hold it.
Just put it in.
No, I'm not.
Why you gotta hold that?
Hold this.
Oh.
I guess you're always tipping it anyway.
I figured it'd be easier because you're not tipping it.
Well, that's true. You should see me trying to tip it. That's a pain in the ass. Kind of shuts off. Okay. Let's see if I can get it back going. Up, down. This thing's got to fill up, so it's coming out pretty quick.
You probably could go slower if you let it
Yeah.
go a little
I'm
bit.
working thumb trigger here, Jen. You're absolutely right. Here we go. You can make it go quicker. Slow it down. It's pretty nice. I don't hear no chugging.
No.
That's the good.
You know why? Because it's coming from the bottom. It's just coming straight out. There's no...
I filled it up already?
What?
What? Oh, shit.
He said you gotta tilt it up, back up. Tilt it back.
That's freaking awesome. Well, folks.
Goodbye, Pops.
Yeah. Thanks, Pops. Might have a winner here. That was pretty epic. Next time I know, try not to take it right out. It fills up so much faster. Usually I'm here like this. Oh, God, man. Doing one of these. I'm like, and I'm trying to watch it. Because, it's always a surprise. It's a surprise when it overfills. And you shouldn't fill it up this much, but I do. One pull every time. Honda. Anyway, we got a winner. Freaking awesome. I think someone does a chainsaw. Anyway.
That's the end of this episode, folks. Thanks for joining me. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks again.